I know I was suffering in silence. Man, how could I let y'all know, man, some of the stuff that was going in my mind, some of the things that I was going through, some of the things that when I was out there in the world getting high, using some of the things I had to do to get my drugs, some of the things that I did in relationships, some of the things I did with my kids, some of the things, so much, but I didn't want nobody to know. I couldn't talk to it about nobody because I had this stigma about myself. This is Ray. Whoa, this is so Wilk. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no way I'm gonna let you know this about me so you can look at me differently. Also, 29% of those say that they're too embarrassed to speak about it, while 20% say there is a negative stigma on the issue. I'm gonna say it again. 29% of us believe it's too embarrassing to speak about it. I just told you it's embarrassing to let somebody know my shortcomings, my faults, the things that's going through my mind. And 20% of us just say it's a negative stigma. So if I start telling you the things about me, if I start telling my significant other things about me, you will start looking at me differently. You might even use the stuff I'm telling you against me. And here's another thing: the biggest cause of mental illness in men's lives are, watch this, and then we're going to break this down.